live band. You're gonna pay that creative. Come back to the second back. I tell you, I'm Misa. I'm asking that. Omanyaba ibara bayimba alaganti nebidi na
alimanyi nnyo
aza kuyimba live band agikomandinga kati muyimbi buno obudde bwekola wet ngokangamu bwekola wet ngokangamu kale A one, a two, a three, we go. One, two, three, let's go. Together, my soul.
Basabana banyabo bebale kujja mu jam session
bebale kunyumira every Tuesday
amanya batita Sammy and Shower
top 10 comedians
and
then gatongera okwanza sponsors ba for Sky Paint Tours and Travel batutsedda mu kizimbe mwebali bali kubeera ngate ekintu mu kiwagira ngero nako lwaleero atwagala okubandulira abagenda okostinga show nako lwaleero tugenda mugenda kuba akayimba
bajje
tugenda kubaniriza abagenda muyimuke mwenna bannange tubanirize bajje bantu bamaanyi nnyo bakiti
like you can see as him. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome this young artist.
Polo daimo yandule namukuntondo daimo yandule.
Kati kwakole bwente kati zengenda afuka omuzungu.
Yegwe Simon, Jack Simon.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have to introduce our new talent here. And right about now, let's welcome this young talent on the stage.
Muvubu galunga bazungu.
Oh my God! We have you! Oh my God! She is so young. Oh my God! Wow! As God said, for a month. Oh my God! Welcome on the stage. This is the American Got Talent here, please. Can you clap for him? Oh my God! We love you! We love you! We love you! We love you! We love you so much! Wow! It's too young! Too young! Okay. Oh, hi!
Hi.
What's your name?
Oh my God, I'm kind of nervous.
No, come on. Don't be nervous, please talk. This is America. Okay, what's your name?
Okay, my name is... Oh my God.
Come on, talk. Go.
My name is Angelica Hill.
Oh.
Yes, I'm 6 years old.
Oh my God, clap for him. Oh, 6 years old. Just 6 years old.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yes.
Okay, where do you come from?
I come from the United States of America, the side of California, and West Lakes, but I'm sorry about
America. Oh, wow! That's great! Oh, you came alone?
I not come alone.
Yes.
I came with my uncle, Amoti. Abazungu abo bazo kuyimba abakunda namurekedde okukiikirira bananga bayinala avamuta bayina amulita.
Yeah, uncle.
I come with my uncle. Yeah, over that side. Bring him.
Uncle.
Come here, uncle. Abazungu wabangomana zokolesa ekitole oba avale mu audience uncle nga bajja. My uncle Mot.
Wow, clap for uncle. We love that uncle. Oh.
Uncle tayogera. Ekira uncle bazija kutikira mwana.
Actually, I was happy to find the person in my son says to do his son for first. Thank you. What's the time to send me? Do you want to send me a Canadian call?
That's your uncle.
Bazungu.
Oh my God, that's your uncle.
It's my uncle.
So what have you come to do?
I've come to sing.
You've come to sing?
Yes.
At 6 years old.
Yeah.
You came to sing.
And my uncle's been writing my songs.
Okay, can you start up singing right now?
Okay.
The stage is yours.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, sing. Are you okay? Okay.
She's just a girl and she's on fire.
Oh my God.
Like a burning sea.
Ako ebitone bigenda waggulu. Eya America.
Yagwa mulese ekitone.
Abannayuganda. Jangwa mulese ekitone.
Tebagaliza. Mwanjulu omwana jalisa ekitone.
Abakoresho ya taali twalaga nti bayamba buyambi. Olunaku lwayo tuli wano okubanga tuli mu yolesa ekitone era nga tuyamba abalina talenti tulivumbule talenti z'abaana kubanga gwe mulimu gwaffe. Wait now katuyite ono omwana muwala ajja ayolesa ekitone mukubeko obugalo nga mwana muwala ajja mwana muwala jangu. Wow, yeah, obugabambi. Aha. Mwana muwala. Wow. Oriotya. What's your name?
I want to give a put on a pista, the print faster and master with the game tape at the never equal. Yeah.
How old are you?
I am 14 years old. Nakam Sam.
Bakuzala mwaka ki?
Kume dance Mugum.
Hey, oli wa class ki?
Nim senior frame. Graduation 5.
Okay, nyenda kubuza akabuzo ka senior tukubanga oli senior 3.
Yeah.
Who were the Bachwezi?
Bachwezi is the group of...
The Bachwezi. The Bachwezi are a group of fertilizers who sell their non-living things. They are night dancers. They're moving all over the place. They wear animal prints. The Bachwezi could externalize into the astronomy of the biology. The Bachwezi were also prostitutes like Ngabendanya. Thus the Bachwezi in conclusion in not more than 105. Amaliriza. teryamufuuwa teryamulaba olwansonga baana bawano. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, tugenda kubanga tuyisakadde mu ssaawa zino zennyini tugenda kubanga tuleeta perform agenda okubanga addako naye nga twongera okubagamba nti muzibe wali mu nnyumba Moto Mbalanguzi wali king of comedy Bobby Brown niro ne ba artists bangi nyo bakyajja cause it is a jam session era ngenda kubeerangawo obange zeebeerawo every single Tuesday Skype